Hi there, this is Miss Lourdes, and in this video we will be leaf printing with paint. In the end, yours might look something like this. Be aware this might be a bit messy, but let's get started. So first you'll need to find some leaves outside. Make sure you get the soft ones and not the crunchy ones, because the crunchy ones might break when you try to use them. These are the leaves that I found and that I'm going to use and test today. I almost forgot to mention that I will be using acrylic paints on watercolor paper and a spoon for pressing. So first I'm going to completely cover my leaf with paint. So once I've completely covered my leaf with paint, let's see how it looks on paper. I'm going to use my spoon to better help me press it. Neat! It didn't give me a leaf shape, but it still looks really interesting. Let's see how it looks without adding any more paint. Those look really cool. Let's try another leaf and see what we get. Whoa, this one looks really good, but I might have had to put more paint on it. These are looking great. Remember, you can always try other natural things you find outside, not just leaves. Now I'm going to try the other side of this leaf. I found out that I have to have just the right amount of paint to get a good image. Also, the leaves with more vines that protrude work the best. Once you are done and it is dry, you can even fold your paper and make it into a thank you card. Thank you for watching. See you next time.